Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm shooting a quick video. I wanted to show how I get my grains ready before pressure cooking them. So what I like to do is I just buy some generic wild bird food. This one happens to contain millet, white millet, cracked corn, wheat, and black oil sunflower seeds. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be measuring how many cups I need of grains, and we're going to get from this to this pretty much. So my pressure cooker happens to fit 7 jars, so I filled these jars about halfway because I'm going to be soaking these grains. They're going to expand, and they're going to fill about 3/4 of the way afterwards. So I'm going to go ahead and fill 7 jars right here, and I will be right back for the cleaning of them. Alright, so I've got my 7 jars right in here. And as you can tell, there are the black sunflower seeds. Those we actually don't want those in our mix. And there's a couple of floating debris, as you can see. So like little pieces of wood and just a couple of things we don't want in there. So I brought it over to the sink. And then make sure you have something to catch the bottom of your sink. And I'm just going to be adding some cold water, and we're going to let that fill up all the way to the top, and you'll be able to see the sunflower seeds actually float, so they're kind of easy to get rid of. When the water is almost to the top, I like to give it a little push to get the grains at the top in, and I'll run my finger through the grains at the bottom as well to make sure everything gets untrapped. As you can tell, everything that we don't want floats, so it creates kind of a layer in between. So we've got all the bad stuff at the top, and then at the bottom we've got all the good grains. So what we're going to be doing, it's just simple, just shuck it out of here. Just like that. And then I'm going to just dump the water off the top. And then I will clean my sink. I'll do a first clean on that sink, and then I'll go ahead and repeat the process of washing and dumping out anything that's not good until my water is pretty much clear. Alright guys, so my water is pretty much clear right now. So we can do the final dump of the water. And now I'm going to be adding a little bit of coffee grounds. One of the reasons for this is to help the pH for colonization of the mycelium. So just a little bit of coffee grounds, not too much. And I'm going to proceed by adding cold water. So make sure you put cold water afterwards. So mix that coffee grounds further in. And we're going to wait until the water gets about 2 to 3 inches above the grains, so it has enough to soak. And we're going to, I like to cover it with a lid, just so no dust or anything goes back inside, and I will let that sit for 12 to 24 hours to let all the grain absorb the water. Alright, and this is what the final product looks like. That is ready to sit for 12 to 24 hours, like I said before. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the lid on it, and I'm going to go ahead and go place it in a nice environment that's room temperature, about 70 degrees, and yeah. Thanks everyone for watching. If you've got any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. I will try to get to everyone. Also, if you enjoy the content, definitely like and possibly subscribe as well. I will be shooting a lot more content, and next is going to be the pressure cooking step. So you definitely don't want to miss that. So catch you guys in the next one.